So we went over stem and leaf plots in class today, but some of you were absent and we didn't make a video. So real quick, stem and leaf plot, concise way to show many numbers in one plot. You have to have a key. So we started with this list of numbers and we want to make a stem and leaf plot. Basically, your leaf can only be 1 digit long. So for these numbers, we decided to have 6 as our stem. And then the leaf, see for both of these numbers, they both have the same stem of 6. So then one leaf would be 3 and the other would be 9. So when you see it in the stem and leaf plot like this, you need to know, according to the key, that these numbers mean, when you see it written like that, that means 63 and that means 69. So same thing with the 70s. I had 73, 77, 78. They all had the same stem. So then in the graph, they just look like 7 with the stem, and then the leaf, 3, 7, 8. 80 is same thing. There's 282, so you need 2 2s. And then you just fill it all out. And then the 90 is same thing. The key shows you how to go back the other way. The key is so important because I could see this same stem and leaf plot, but these numbers could have been decimals, right? What if it was 6.3, 6.9, 7.3, 7.7, and so on? You could create the stem and leaf plot the same way, but the key is different. So you would have the key with a decimal. So then we talked about 3-digit numbers. So if you had this big list of 3-digit numbers, your leaves can only ever be 1 digit long for each number. So in other words, you can't have a stem of 1 and then a leaf of 2 zeros, because each number can only have a 1 digit for a leaf. So that's why we made our stem 10. So then these both have a stem of 10, and then the leaves are 0 and 3. 11, I only have one of them, so I have the 11 and the 2. 12, I have these. 13s. I don't have any 14s, but that doesn't mean that that just means that you put the stem, but you just don't have any leaves. Okay? Don't put a leaf of 0, because then that would be the number 140. So just be mindful of that. There's our 15s, and there's our key. And then we tried, if I gave you this, can you turn this back into a list of numbers given that key? So, if you know what you're doing, it turns out to be 0.41, 0.42, 0.61, 0.61, 0.61, 0.63, 0.70. Okay, so that's it on stem and leaf plots.